Hey everybody, welcome to Sunset Trading. Today is July 8th and we are looking at SRG. We are already in this trade and I have two trades for you today. Make sure you watch until the end because this is another very important lesson about why we do a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Before I get into breaking down this trade, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the channel grow if you hit that like button. So this one here, we're looking at 3 touches on a trend line. We have 1 touch right here. We have the second touch here. It came down and touched right here. And this is where I'm looking to get in above this candle right here. So you see I'm in this trade and our risk is 1 penny below this candle. We are risking losing 1% of our trade. If we lose, we're going to win 2% if we win. So we always have that 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So it looked like it had some momentum as it was picking up here, but now it's starting to drop back down and getting really close to our stop. So all we can do at this point is wait and see if we can get some momentum to go back up and hit our target. So as we wait to see what happens, so we just get stopped out right there. So now we look at our second trade and we are already in this trade. This is CLVS. Now on that first trade, we lost 1% of our account because we risked 1%. We have a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Now on this trade here, same thing. We are risking losing 1% of our account. And if we win, we're going to get 2% of our account. So as you can see, if you need 33% of the time to break even. If you're right, 33% of the time you break even. So if you lose half your trades, but you're right 50% of the time, you are still making a lot of money. So that's why the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio is so good. So now as we break down this trade, here is my first touch, here is my second touch, and I draw the trend line up. And this is the candle that I'm looking at on this one. So I wait for it to break above this red candle right here, which it did, got us in this trade. Our stop loss is 1 penny below, and our target is going to be up here, which again is, if you're going to risk 10 cents, then your target is going to be 20 cents. 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So we wait on this one to get some momentum. Now right here, I'm starting to hit a resistance area right up top. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop or my target down 1 penny. I don't like to do that, but you can see back here I have like little candles here. I don't have big candles through here. Like I don't have a big candle like this one. So not my favorite trade. So I moved my target down. You see right there I hit my target. So here is where we get into the risk reward ratio. The first trade I lost 1%, but the second trade I gained 2%. So at the end of the day of trading, I am still up a 0.5% in my trades. So that is a really good profit risk to reward ratio. If you learned something from today's trade, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave any comments down below. This is Sunset Trading, and we will see you on the next trade.